We got Pegasus Blast. Let's open it, shall we? But first, let's review the box. We got Pegasus Blast ATR, aka Assault Turbo. Got a really nice box art, not gonna lie. Here is the winder launcher with the long ripcord. And here's the back. Got Omega Shiraboshi as the owner. Got Pegasus with a attack stat of 75. I'm not sure which one's which, but this one's probably stamina and that's defense. 2020. And then we got Turbo. It's I haven't heard the best about it, but it's just a really fun bit to use, really not really designed to be used competitively. Yes, I know this is late. Mall of Toys got their shipment out like a month. They got it a week late, but we got it. And here are also the stats for passive mode and attack mode. It's gonna take forever to read those, so I'm just not gonna. I don't even know what most of those mean. I'm guessing this is the height. It goes from a high 90 height to a 65. Interesting. Then here it says the winder it comes with is longer than that of a standard ripcord, which is barely visible, but it's there. Then it has the extra tool that is used to unlock the lock chip. Here we go. We got a assault. Right. Let's open it. God, that launcher looks pretty. I love the color. We got this. Wait, there we go. Got such nice colors. But first, just because I'm curious, let's see what combo it recommends me. Okay, here it is. It seems like it's a defense type combo. So we got Pegasus Blast, Wheel, which I do not have and I probably won't get. M85, which I also don't have. And I probably won't get either, unfortunately. And Underneedle. There we go. Wheel seems to be a very commonly used assist blade on Pegasus. Oh, it is using drawn blast. I didn't even see that. Drawn blast I can't do. Anyways, goodbye. Now to the main course. Pegasus Blast itself. Let's open up the bottom parts first. Here is Turbo. Wait, let me get my scale. Hopefully you guys can see that, but let's weigh Turbo. Oh, wait, but first, does this part click? If it doesn't, then it's gonna be really bad. Oh, it does indeed. It's just a very tight click, which I don't really like. Anyways, weight 12.5. To be fair, I don't really think it matters. I don't know if it even differs, but that's mine. And let's check out the ability, see if I can even do it. Yep, there it is. That's a really sharp point. Let's compare this to Gear Flat real quick. Gear Flat acquired. No, this is the biggest and pretty much the most aggressive bit, I'm pretty sure. And let's compare the sizes. Oh my god. That is huge. It's like a whole half bit bigger. Jesus. Anyways, let's get out. Oh, ignore that. But let's get out Pegasus. Alright, now that we have the bit reviewed, let's go with Pegasus. Quick visual review. This thing looks amazing. Assault a really nice lime green color, I want to say. As for weight itself in my hand, feels pretty decent. Let's see how much mine weighs though. 39.3. That is amazing weight. Let's put it all together and see the full weight. I'm guessing it's just a regular assembly. Yeah, just push in and twist. God dang, that's a thick ass boy! And total weight 51.7. 2 parts Triumphs, the new highest weighing combo, I'm pretty sure. Alright, let's give it a test launch. Well, here's the little tool. It's nothing special really, but this is how it works. You just take it apart. You align these 3 prongs with the little gaps right there. You put it in, twist, and out comes the lock chip. Okay, now we test launch. Okay, one last thing. I got a nice little attachment. I got a Glaceon onto my Impact Drake launcher. All right, first launch, flat launch. 3, 2, 1, go. And there it is. I could only get 2 extreme dashes in, and its stamina is gone. But will it stay up by itself? That is disappointing. It will not. And now we give it a tilt. 3, 2, 1, go. Seems tilting makes it lose stamina a lot quicker, making the turbo gimmick activate quicker. Pegasus Blast. Fun to play with? Definitely. Especially the turbo bit. Fun to use? 100%. Is it practical to use? Not really, seeing how tall this thing is. But hey, let's give it a couple of battles on stock. And the next video after this one will be the testing. Expect it to be a long one. I have quite a few combos planned. Hold it. I just realized we never actually reviewed the launcher. And here it is. I don't know if the others do that, but this is a really nice color. And let's open up this thing. And here it is. This is my first time ever actually owning one of these, since I unfortunately do not have the money to afford Saber. Even though I do have its launcher, but that's because I traded. Alright, let's give it a test launch with this one. See if it's any different. 3, 2, 1, go. It does definitely seem to be moving around a little bit more than the string launcher. 1, 2, ooh. And it definitely used the rail more times than with the string launcher, proving that this ripcord is indeed a bit powerful. But now, as for that little thing I did before, and it is indeed normal. I, for some reason, didn't think it was. Oh, it stood up. But the free spinning without the ripcord is indeed normal. Okay, now let's battle. For our testing, we'll do Rod 760 Hexa versus Phoenix Wing 560 Kick. A combo I personally like. Right? First opponent, Rod. Okay, battles are just gonna be first to 3 points. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my. And the self-extreme. That is unfortunately illegal, which means the score is now 3-0. Right. Battle 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that is a Beyblade X for you. The score is 5-0. Yeah, you can already see how bad Turbo is, or how bad this Beyblade is stuck. So let's just move on, shall we? Alrighty, opponent 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it bounced back. And Phoenix with the spin finish. Score is now 1-0. Battle 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that is Phoenix with a ring out finish. Scores now 3-0. Alright, battle 3. 3, 2, 1, go. God damn. Makes me think something's gonna break. And the spin finish. Goes now 4-0. That is game. Pegasus without getting a single point. Unfortunate. Right. After battle damage, couple of chips there. Oh, let me get out the light again. Got a couple chips there. A big one right there. This side seems to be pretty clean. Assault. Stress there. Stress there. Stress there. As for the bit itself, I mean, it probably would have bursted. If there was damage, it would have bursted, but seems clean to me. Right, but first, I kind of just want to do a quick turbo test on Phoenix. Oh my gosh, this thing feels heavy. Mostly just because, well, you know how people have run Phoenix Ball in the past. But let's see how it does. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Phoenix still passive? Still hasn't triggered. And one more hit will do it. Called it. And it did not work. Alright, let's try it one more time. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, and activate. Damn. Oh, wow. Oh, I missed. Damn. Well, that is turbo for you. Fun, but not really all that good. Anyways. Alright, that is all for me today. Today, I will have this video uploaded, which is just a review. And the next day will be the combos. Right? Stay safe, have fun, and keep blading, bladers.